classes children. Today we are going to learn about chapter number 3, that is multiples and factors, and today's topic is multiples, factors, prime and composite numbers. In a school morning assembly, we have 6 students in a class and we have to make them stand in a row. So we can make them stand in a row in different ways. The first one is we can make them stand in one row. So all the 6 students will come in one row. So that means 6 into 1 equals to 6. Here 6 is the number of students and 1 is the number of rows. So 6 into 1 equals to 6. The second way is we can make all the students stand equally in 2 rows. So there will be 3 students in each row. So 3 into 2 equals to 6. Here 3 is the number of students in each row and 2 is the number of rows. So 3 into 2 equals to 6. The third way is we can make all the students stand equally in 3 rows. So there will be 2 students in each row and total number of rows will be 3. So 2 into 3 equals to 6. Here 2 is the number of students in each row and the number of rows is 3. So 2 into 3 equals to 6. So 1, 2, 3 and 6 are the factors of 6 here, and 6 is the multiple of 1, 2, 3 and 6. See here 2 and 3 is the factor of 6 and this 6 is the multiple of 2 and 3. So, see here what are factors. Factors is a number that is multiplied by another number. Here I have given one example. 4 into 12 equals to 48. Here 4 is a factor of 48 and 12 is also a factor of 48. Now what is multiples? The product or solution of a multiplication equation. Here the example is 4 into 12 equals to 48. The same example. Here 48 is the multiple. 48 is a multiple of 4 and 12 both. See here 5 into 4 equals to 20. Here 5 and 4 are the factors of 20 and 20 is the multiple of 4 and 5. Now coming to the properties of factors, the first property is 1 is a factor of every number and every number is a factor to itself. For example, here I have taken example, factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. 1 and 6 are the factors of 6. Here you can see 1 is the factor of 6 and 6 is also the factor of 6. So 1 will be the factor of every number and the number itself will also be the factor. Here the number is 6, so it is having 6 as factor. Okay. Now the second property is factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. Here you can see factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So 1, 2, 3 are less than 6 and 6 is equal to 6. So the factor of a number is always less than or equal to the number. The third property is factors of a number are finite. Here you can see factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. We cannot write more than this. 1, 2, 3 and 6. These 4 numbers will only be the factors of 6. Other than this, no other number we can write as factors of 6. Okay. Now the properties of multiples. The first property is every number is a multiple of 1 and every number is a multiple to itself. For example, here I have taken 3 multiples of 6 are 6, 12, 18. So 6 is a multiple of 6. Here the number is 6. we have to find 3 multiples of 6. So the number is 6 here, and the multiple of 6 are 6, 12 and 18. So the multiple is also having 6. So 6 is having multiple as 6. So the number, every number is a multiple to itself. The next property is multiple of a number is always greater than or equal to the number. Here you can see the multiple of 6 are 6, 12 and 18. So here the multiple is greater. 12, 18 are greater than 6. So multiples of a number is always greater or equal to the number, and 6 here is equal to 6. So the multiple of a number is always greater or equal to the number. Then next property is property number 3. Multiples of a number are countless. Here you can write more multiples also. I have written only 3 multiples, 6, 12 and 18. Here you can write more multiples, 6, 12, 18. After 18 you can write 24, 30, then 36. Okay, so you can write more multiples. So the multiples of a number are countless. Okay, now prime and composite numbers. Okay, what are prime numbers? The prime numbers are the numbers other than 1 with only factors, namely 1, and the number itself is a prime number. The numbers having factor 1 and the number itself are known as prime numbers. Here I have given examples such as 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, etc. Here 2 is having factor 1 and 2 only. 3 is having factor 1 and 3. 5 is having factor 1 and 5. 7 is having factor 1 and 7. 11 is having factor 1 and 11. 13 is having factors 1 and 13. Okay, so these all are prime numbers. Now composite numbers. What are composite numbers? Numbers that have more than 2 factors are called composite numbers. Here I have given examples 6, 9, 10, 14. Here you can see the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. In the previous slide you have seen the factors of 6. The factors of 6 are 1, 2, 3 and 6. So they are having more, 6 is having more than 2 factors. So it is a composite number. Similarly 9, 10, 14 are also composite numbers. Okay. Now here you can see one image. In this image it is written the number 1 is a special case and is neither prime nor composite. Okay, so 1 is neither prime nor a composite number. Now my practice time 1. Let's take question from my practice time 1. Here the first question is find out the factors of the following numbers. The first one is 36. We have to find factors for 36. So the factors of 36 are 1 into 36 equals to 36, 2 into 18 equals to 36, 3 into 12 equals to 36, 4 into 9 equals to 36, 6 into 6 equals to 36. So what are the these numbers are the factors here 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18, 36. This 6 we will not write twice. Okay, 2 times we cannot write. We are writing here 6. So after 6 we will write 9, 12, 18 and 36. So what the factors of 36 are 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 9, 12, 18 and 36. Okay, in the same way you will find the factors of 54. Here the factors of 54 will be 1 into 54 equals to 54. 2 into 27 will be 54. 3 into 18 is equals to 54. 6 into 9 equals to 54. So the factors of 54 will be 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Okay, so we will write here factors of 54. 1, 2, 3, 6, 9, 18, 27 and 54. Okay. Now the next question is find out the first 10 multiples of the following numbers. So how we will find out? The first question is 5. We have to find 10 multiples of 5. So 10 multiples of 5 are, we just have to write the table of 5, nothing else. Okay, 5, 10, 5 ones are 5, 5 twos are 10, 5 threes are 15, 5 fours are 20, 5 fives are 25, 5 sixes are 30, 5 sevens are 35, 5 eights are 40, 5 nines are 45 and 5 tens are 50. Okay, so these are the 10 multiples of 5. Now the second question is 10 multiples of 9. So what will be the 10 multiples of 9? 10 multiples of 9 are, just we have to write table of 9. 9 ones are 9, 9 twos are 18, 9 threes are 27, 9 fours are 36, 9 fives are 45, 9 sixes are 54, 9 sevens are 63, 9 eights are 72, 9 nines are 81 and 9 tens are 90. Very simple. Okay. Now list all the prime numbers between 1 and 50. So students, what are prime numbers? Prime numbers are the numbers that are having only 1 and the number itself as factors. So all the prime numbers between 1 and 50 will be 2, 3, 5, 7, 11, 13, 17, 19, 23, 29, 31, 37, 41, 43, 47. That's it. Children, do this in your copies and keep your copies complete. Thank you.